Welcome to Manly Bands, the place where... Whew. Sorry about that. Thanks for stopping by Manly Bands to check out some of our fantastic products. I've got one right here in front of me in this box, so let's just jump in and take a look, shall we? This one we like to call the Dark Knight. Inside we've got this beautiful card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. Inside we've got some compliments, some customer service information, and these beautiful modern hieroglyphs telling you about social media, where to find us, where to tag us. So when you get your band, give us a look up and show us what you're working with. Inside, there we have it, beautiful. This is the Dark Knight. So this is a handcrafted black zirconium inlaid with 0.06 ethically sourced black diamonds. Super sweet. It's 8 millimeters wide, and not only is it the ring that you deserve, but it is the ring that you need right now. But just in case you don't like to crime fight with diamonds, which why the hell wouldn't you, we also include this black silicone band as a beautiful substitute for that. And yeah, you can punch bad guys with this, or you could wear it to fancy dinner parties. Nobody knows. And we inside also have some special promotional offers as those become available. People that we like to partner with here at Manly Bands because we think that you will like them just the way that you will like the Dark Knight from manlybands.com.